Bookshelf speakers are a great way to enjoy music in high fidelity. In comparison to tower-style floor-standing speakers, they are smaller in size and can sit on top of stands, bookshelves, desks, tabletops, or any other elevated surfaces. Today, bookshelf speakers are compact, powerful, and available in a wide range of budget options. With so many options to choose from, it becomes increasingly difficult to zero down on one model that works for your needs. In this video, we are looking at the top 5 bookshelf speakers available in 2020 at different price points, starting from the premium offerings going down to the most affordable models. Before we get into the list, please subscribe to our channel. Also, hit the bell icon to get a notification every time we post a new video. Now, let's dig in. Fifth in the list is the model designed by Andrew Jones in his time before joining ELAC. The Pioneer SP-BS22LR is a two-way single-bass reflex bookshelf speaker that can deliver up to 80 watts output. The speaker sports a 4-inch mid-bass driver with a 1-inch soft dome tweeter. With a no-nonsense and no-frills design approach, this bookshelf speaker blends a rare combination of high-fidelity sound and cost-effective pricing. It is the most affordable pair of speakers in this list, priced at an MRP of Rs 14,365 at the time of recording this video. Fourth in the list is the Q Acoustic 3020i, high-fidelity two-way bass reflex bookshelf speaker from the new age British audio brand. The 3020i incorporates a 5-inch mid-bass driver and a high-performance 1-inch tweeter. The bookshelf speaker is housed in a cabinet that features a trademark P2P or point-to-point internal bracing that is optimized to reduce tonal coloration and deliver sound with accuracy. The bookshelf speaker sports new low-profile binding posts with sockets deep enough to accept 4mm banana plugs. Not only does this unique connector deliver greater signal fidelity, but it also allows the speaker to be positioned very close to a rear wall. The Q Acoustics 3020i is conceived and designed as a speaker that brings in technologies found in the brand's premium product range to deliver a massive performance from a compact build size. A pair of the 3020i is priced at an MRP of Rs 29,900 at the time of recording this video. Next in the list is the ELAC Debut 2.0 B6.2, a two-way bass reflex bookshelf speaker from the iconic German audio brand. The speaker is from the second generation of the award-winning Debut series designed by Andrew Jones that is still praised for its amazing performance and cost-effectiveness. The new improvements in the Debut 2.0 series include redesigned woofers, revised tweeter and waveguide, and reinforced cabinets. The B6.2 bookshelf speaker features a 6.5-inch mid-bass driver and a 1-inch cloth dome tweeter. Unlike its predecessor, the B6, the bass ports of the B6.2 are moved to the front of the cabinet, allowing placement against walls or in bookshelves without any compromise in sonic performance. This also improves the overall low-frequency response. The ELAC Debut 2.0 B6.2 is geared to bring an audiophile-grade performance at an affordable price point. Shipped in a pair, the B6.2 is priced at an MRP of Rs 36,900 at the time of recording of this video. Second in this list is the Bose & Wilkins 606 premium grade two-way bookshelf speakers from the legendary British audio brand. Featuring a two-way vented box design, the speaker incorporates a 6.5-inch continuum cone mid-bass driver and a 1-inch decoupled double-dome aluminum tweeter. Flaunting minimal and classy design aesthetics, the speaker oozes a high-end appeal in your home. The Bose & Wilkins 606 is conceived and designed as a speaker that brings in technologies found in the brand's premium product range, that is the 800 series. Sold in a pair, the 606 is priced at an MRP of Rs 86,000 at the time of recording this video. First in the list is the KEF R3 three-way bookshelf speaker from the iconic British audio brand, featuring its innovative UniQ driver array technology. The speaker incorporates a 1-inch aluminum dome tweeter plus a shadow flare waveguide concentrically mounted onto a 5-inch mid-range driver for lifelike spatial mid-high response and a wide coverage, along with a 6.5-inch hybrid aluminum woofer and a rear-mounted port for powerful, deep and articulate bass response. In a nutshell, the R3 brings KEF's flagship level performance in a 3-way configuration bookshelf speaker. Available in a pair, the R3 is priced at an MRP of Rs 1,96,000 at the time of recording this video. We really hope you liked this list. Didn't find what you're looking for, or are you interested in some other brand or model? Head over to our website and get in touch with Uberpad support to find the best bookshelf speaker for your needs within your budget. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Also, subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media for more such interesting and informational videos. Thank you for watching.